This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by acting fast. Stop copying anything else and grant administrator access to your system tools. Once done, confirm clipboard history is enabled in Settings. Windows stores entries only when this is on. Then install or prepare a forensic recovery tool that can scan system files and registry hives. You need software that reads LNK, CFHDrop, and clipboard-related registry keys. Make sure you have enough disk space and, if possible, work from a separate bootable USB to avoid altering deleted data. Now perform the core extraction. Capture a RAM image first, because clipboard entries often linger in memory even after deletion. Next, create a disk image or point your tool at the NTFS volume to avoid live changes. Search for clipboard artifacts in registry hives, hkcu/software/microsoft/clipboard, and inspect recent/automatic destinations and jump lists for pasted file references. Parse common clipboard formats like CF text and CF Unicode text, and reconstruct HTML or RTF fragments using the tool's artifact parsers to recover deleted content. Finish by sorting recovered candidates by timestamp and validating integrity. Compare checksums and surrounding metadata to ensure the entry is genuine. Export recovered clipboard content as read-only files and document the chain of actions so you can safely review without modifying originals. If the item still isn't found, make sure to examine captured RAM dumps and any cloud clipboard sync logs or backups. Sometimes deleted entries exist only in synced devices. Troubleshoot by reimaging with different tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.